Dear students, today we learn about rationalizing the denominator. First, why should we rationalize the denominator? And what is rationalization? Changing the denominator into a rational form. When a given expression is in a complex one, just to simplify the given expression and with the denominator irrational, then we have to rationalize the denominator. Let us try to understand this with an example. We know root 2 and we have already learned how to locate root 2 on the number line. And now let us take 1 by root 2. If you want to locate the 1 by root 2 on number line, it is not so easy. Then how to locate this number? It is an irrational number and it is in the denominator. We have to rationalize this. Means the irrational denominator is to be converted into a rational one. That's why this is called rationalization of denominator. So we know that 1 by root 2, and if you want to remove this root 2, means the irrational part into a rational part, then what we have to do? Both numerator and denominator are to be multiplied by root 2. Then the numerator will be root 2 and the denominator will be root 2 into root 2 is 2. So now the given expression is in the form of root 2 by 2. Here the denominator is a rational number. So for us it is very easy to locate this number on a number line. In our earlier class, we have located this root 2 on this number line and O is the center and root 2, this is the intersecting point of root 2 on the number line. So how to locate root 2 by 2? Means 1 by root 2 means it is equal to root 2 by 2. Root 2 by 2 means it is half of root 2. From 0 to the location of root 2, the 50% of this number. So for us, it is not difficult to locate this 1 by root 2 on the number line. Now, we understood the importance of rationalization of the denominator. While rationalizing the denominator, we have two types of rationalization. Like one is like 1 by root 3 and the other one is, say take for example 1 by 4 plus root 5. If you want to rationalize the denominator, in this case, because the root 3 is the denominator, simply multiply both numerator and denominator by root 3. Then the numerator will be root 3 by, the denominator is root 3 into root 3, that is 3. So this is the value of 1 by root 3. But in this case, when the denominator is, it is not a single digit. So what we have to do? We have to use this rationalization factor. Means 1 by 4 plus root 5 is the denominator and the rationalization part, this is called RF. RF means rationalization factor. The RF of 4 plus root 5 is 4 minus root 5. So the numerator and the denominator we are multiplying by 4 minus root 5. Then the numerator will be 4 minus root 5 and the denominator will be, it is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. This is a square minus b square. Its value will be 4 minus root 5 by 4 for the 16 minus root 5 square is 5. So this is 4 minus root 5 by 11. Now let us take another example, rationalizing the denominator 1 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. Multiplying the numerator and the denominator by 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3 multiplied by 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Now the numerator is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by, again the denominator is a minus b into a plus b. This is a square minus b square. So 3 root 2 square minus 2 root 3 square. That is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 3 root square 3 is 9 into root 2 square means 2 minus 2 to the 4, root 3 square is 3. So the answer is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 9 to the 18 minus 4 3 is 12. This is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 by 18 minus 12 is 6. So this is how the rationalization of denominator is done. Let us consider another example. If a and b are rational numbers, find the values of a and b. Here root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2 is equal to a plus b root 6. Here we have to rationalize the denominator, means this is root 3 plus root 2 by root 3 minus root 2. The denominator is root 3 minus root 2. It's a rationalizing factor is root 3 plus root 2. So both numerator and denominator we are multiplying by root 3 plus root 2. Then the numerator is root 3 plus root 2 whole square by the denominator is a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. Its value will be root 3 plus root 2 square by a square means root 3 square means 3 minus root 2 square means 2. Now we have to find the value of root 3 plus root 2 whole square. It is in the formula is a plus b whole square. It is a square plus 2ab plus b square, means root 3 square a square plus b square root 2 square plus 2ab, 2 into root 3 into root 2 by 1. Then its value will be root 3 square is 3 plus root 2 square is 2 plus 2 root 6. This is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6. Now in the given problem also what is given? So now what we have received here is 5 plus 2 root 6 we are writing here. This is 5 plus 2 root 6. So a plus b root 6 is equal to 5 plus 2 root 6. Now we have to equate the rationalizing part. Remember, it is called the rationalizing part. So when we are equating the rationalizing parts on both sides, then a is equal to 5 and b is equal to 2. I think you have understood this problem in detail, and thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. If you subscribe, then only all my future videos will be notified to you. Thank you.